Hi everyone. Have you seen these amazing action figure images? In this video, I will show you how to make one of yourself and animate it totally for free. You can do this on your phone if you prefer. I am going to show this on my PC. The process is pretty much the same. Go to your browser and open the ChatGPT. I've already made some of them, and I'll show a new one for you to create. You do need a picture of yourself so ChatGPT can use it to base this action figure. Click on this plus button and load your image. And then I have this prompt. Type or paste the prompt here. You can type in whatever you want and play with this, so don't feel like you have to use the same wording that I did. All the prompts I used are mentioned in the description of this video. You can copy them from there and hit generate. This can take some time. And there it is. How amazing it is. Click on this icon to download. To animate this, open another tab, and open this website, hiluoi.video. I have already animated my previous images. Take a look, and then I will show you how to animate this. Drag or upload the image we just created. Type or paste the prompt here. You can experiment with it or paste the same mentioned in the description of this video, and hit the generate button. It takes more time if you're doing it for free. And there it is. How cool is? Click on the download icon. If you have subscription, you can download it without watermark. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.